Hi guys, Eric from iScan. In this video, we'll look at unboxing and powering up your new iScan SF. First, let's see what comes in the box. Front and center is the iScan SF main unit. We've designed it to be durable with an 8-inch touchscreen and strong, flexible rubber handles that will stand the test of time. Also included is a USB and Ethernet cable for J2534 programming. The diagnostic main cable, an OBD2 adapter. The included iScan OBD2 adapter and main cable are DOIP integrated, so there's no need to swap cables for early or late OBD2 vehicles. An AC power adapter, a BMW 20-pin adapter, and a Mercedes-Benz 38-pin adapter. Next, let's look at powering the device on and off. It's important to note the iScan SF does not have an internal battery, so it doesn't need to be charged. For most vehicles and situations, the iScan SF is powered directly through the 16-pin vehicle diagnostic connector. Connect your iScan SF to the vehicle diagnostic plug using the diagnostic main cable and the corresponding adapter, and it will automatically turn on. During power-up, keep the touchscreen clear of hands and objects, since this can negatively affect screen calibration. You can also power your iScan using the AC power adapter. Browse our channel to find additional videos on setting up your new iScan SF.